Assalamualaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to the Dara Education Project video tutorial series for the Jquery. And in this session we are going to discuss how to create session number 19. We are going to create the text selectors and use input and in focus or out focus the program. So first of all, create a new program in PHP as this. Okay, now we need to save this file and save this file with the text selector example something like this. Okay, so first of all we will change the name, text, color, focus in and out example. Okay, now as we always perform some preliminary task, and that was adding the script type is equal to JavaScript, and add the source here, source, browse the Jquery, and here is the Jquery manifest files, and after that we just close the script tag here. Okay, now we are adding some heading tags and make this one okay, registration form, something like this, and form tag is here and form is here. Input name, I thought we will use this one. Input type is equal to text and property, and name is equal to sname, something like this, and I'm using BR for the next load, and age something. Input type is equal to text, name is equal to age here. Okay, now we need to add the script for type is equal to JavaScript, and here we will write this program. And as we always know that the Jquery starts with the $sign, and after that we are going to enter a text property. Okay, dot, and now we will use focus in. There are two types of focuses. One is the focus and simple focus in, and the focus out. We will use the focus in event and focus in event, and focus in is here. Okay, now we will just show that how it will work. So now your text is selected, something like this, and first of all we will save this program and run this program in Google Chrome. Okay, I think we have double less than sign, that's why error was rising. So just make this one. Okay, something, I think WAMP server is not working. Okay, so we need to run the WAMP server, and because we are using the PHP file, so that's why we need to run it. If you are working on the PHP files, then this message will show only if you are not running the WAMP server, and if wait for the color change from this to green or something like yellowish. Now you can see that. Okay, yes, we have the text selected when we just focus in, and you can see that because this text is select focus, and that's why this message is shown again and again and again and again. So we just remove that, but this message will be there. Okay, now we will go and change this uh, alert message to some other properties like dollar sign, change the background color or something like this. We will use it dot css properties and the background color, and here we will use the background color of okay, yes, this is the color here, and I am using this color something like this. Okay, so save this and run this program again, and you can see that when we just focus this, that the colors of the every text box was changed. Either we are selecting because we are selecting the text selectors. Okay, but first of all we just change this text selectors with others. We use focus out property, and for this thing once again we will use text property here dot focus out here, and in this we will just return the text property dot css to background color back to the normal. I thought this is the color of the white color hash coding set. Okay, now we need to refresh it, and when we move it, then you can see that the colors of the text was changed when it was focused, and when it was focused out the color was changed. But the question is that the both colors was changed, so if we are changing only the selected one, then just replace this one with this operator. It means that when we select the text here, then it will be changed. Now we refresh this one and see what happens. Okay, this one, I thought we have we have something missing. Okay, now we go and check what is missing. I think we don't need to write this in the inverted commas, so be careful about it. Okay, now this is working very fine, that when we select the requested one, then it will be happy. Now if you will change this type into something like commands and use it the text area name is equal to commands, then you will not expect it the same thing from the text area, because it was not an input type here. You can see that these are working as a text, but text area is another type, so we will perform the text for the text areas and the other things. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel for further detailed subjects and the Jqueries. Allah Hafiz. Okay, I thought I need to add some more thing in this lecture, and that was very simple. And if we want to implement the focus for the text area or something else, then what will we need? We need text area selected, text input type is here, input dot focus. Okay, I will change this focus input, then refresh this one and see what happened. Okay, you can see that this works very fine for the input too. But if you change the type of the text from text to a number, is it working for the same thing? We will refresh it and check it. You can see that this thing works very fine for that input, because all are the elements are the input. So you can see that if they have change in focus, then the values were changed. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Allah.